We're going to be talking about the shunt and where we use it up at camp. Again, this is a review, not a training. This is to review the things we've learned up at camp, at our personal camp, and may not apply to your camp and does not qualify as any training. So the shunt itself can be used as a double rope or single rope. Up at camp, we use it on the ladder up to the zip line. The reason is because the girls will be leaving at the top and hopping onto the zip line and then zipping away. So we have to have some way to be able to bring it down. Now the way the device works is it goes on by pushing the center metal all the way through. It can go on either side, because remember it can take on either side, so it can go on the right or the left, doesn't matter. And then once you've done this, we go ahead and we add a carabiner. Now we do use our wire eye carabiners for our group. Not all groups will be using that. We're going to go ahead and put it on. Make sure that if you are using a wire eye, you go all the way through the eye so it can be caught. The way this device works is it allows you to go up, and if you fall, it will catch you. Now, what's really nice about this is once we unclip the girl at the very top, we can grab the rope on the back and then drag the rope back down to the bottom. Now, there's some advantages and disadvantages to this. One, we cannot let the girls grab onto the device. They're not allowed to do that. So this is clipped on at their belay loop down at the bottom, and we want to engage them to not grab this, to grab the ladder. So if you fall, grab the ladder, not the rope, not the device. Because if they do grab it, this is the one problem with this device, you can override it. You cannot pull too hard to where you can't override a person falling. So even if you're bringing them back down. So the one thing is, if we have a customer or child coming that gets halfway up the ladder and says, I'm done, you're going to have to engage the release and walk it down with them. So we're going to go ahead and have Madison climb real quick. And then at the top, we're going to bring it back down. So we're going to go ahead, pinch it, bring it in, lock it in. And I'm going to go ahead and step behind her. I'm going to go ahead and climb whenever you want. Make sure you grab onto the ladder. Do not grab the rope or the device. Go ahead and climb up. And as she climbs, I'm going to keep the small black rope between her legs. Now, once she hits the top, if she wanted to come back down, we would have to disengage it and walk her back down all the way down. But we're going to go ahead, she's going to go ahead and disconnect because she's going to go ahead and hop onto the zip line. And then we're going to bring it down. Now, the thing we want to do is pull it away from the ladder so it doesn't whack the ladder all the way down. It's just annoying, it doesn't really hurt anything. And then make sure we pull it all the way down to the bottom. And I usually get it nice and low, that way we can get it ready for the next person to clip on. Okay? This is how you use the shunt, guys. Remember to leave comments and like and share. As always, have a great day.